Hey ladies, so to start this look off, I'm using the shade Hazelnut by Marky Kay, and I'm gonna just use that as my transition shade to give the eye a little definition and color. And that's really all I'm gonna put in my crease, and I'm going back and forth in my lid. I'm taking Red Ochre from the Modern Renaissance palette and first applying that closely to my lash line with an angled brush, and then I slowly draw that wing effect out and then start packing that color and smoking that out with the small dense blending brush. And I keep doing that method until I get it to how dark I want that red ochre to look. So going back to the hazelnut brush, I am going to blend out any harsh lines, and then I'll clean up that look with some concealer. Then we are moving on to Vermeer from the Anastasia palette and popping that in our inner corner and our brow bone. And then I'll blend out any harsh lines again. And then to fill in our top and bottom waterlines, I'm using the Makeover Essentials lip pencil in 12M, and I know you guys are going to be like, what, a lip pencil? But honestly, I love this color and it looks bomb with the look. Then I'll curl my lashes and then apply some Ardell lashes in the Wispies. And then I use the 3D Browtones from Benefit, then the Quench Hydrating Primer from Tarte. Sorry, this is so fast. And Fit Me Foundation Matte Poreless in the shade Nude Warm Nude. Yeah. And for concealer, I don't usually take such a thick consistency of a concealer, but I'm taking the Anastasia Contour Cream Kit concealer and I'm using the shade Fair. I normally take the Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade 10, but I don't have that right now, so I'm going with what I got. So yeah. Then I use the Airspun loose face powder in the shade Natural Neutral to set my face or anywhere I put concealer. So I dust off any excess powder, and then I will start baking underneath where I contour, and then I will apply some Sephora Canary Islands bronzer. And yeah, I like doing that step before I bronze because it kind of cleans up with the bronze while I bronze or whatever. And yeah. And again, dusting off any excess powder. Then I'll contour my nose with that same bronzer. I just apply that in the front tip of my nose, the sides of my nostrils, and then down the sides of my nose, and kind of like in our inner corner eye bridge area by our eyebrows, just to make it look more smaller. And then I will apply some powder next to my eyelids because I do get fallout with the red ochre, and I will use that red ochre as my lower lash shadow. I'll just smoke that out. Going in with one of my all-time favorite blushes, and I got this with my points from Sephora, is my Tarte blush in Feisty. I love this blush so much for fall. It's the perfect blush for me. I'm in love. Then I will go with the Sephora Luminizing highlighter palette and use that pink undertoned light white highlighter. And highlight everywhere you see me highlighting. The mascara I'm using is Tarte's Lights Camera Lashes mascara, and then for the lip liner I will be taking my Revlon Colorstay lip liner in Wine, and then for the lipstick I am taking Smashbox Be Legendary lipstick in Infrared Matte. A red lip always makes me feel like a bad bitch. But thank you guys for watching my videos. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you like it, and check out my other videos. Love you guys. Bye.